come let's go. A is for apple, red and sweet, crunchy and yummy, a healthy treat. B is for ball, we bounce and play, rolling and tossing all through the day. C is for cake with candles bright, we make a wish on birthday night. D is for duck, in the pond it stays, quack, 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 it swims all day. E is for egg, round and small, it can make breakfast for us all. F is for fire, glowing with light, keeping us warm on a cold, cold night. G is for guitar, strum the tune, playing a song from noon till moon. H is for hat, on your head it goes, big hat, small hats, fancy bows. I is for igloo, made of snow, a home in the Arctic, cold winds blow. J is for jacket, cozy and snug, it keeps us warm like a gentle hug. K is for kite, up in the sky, dancing with the wind as clouds go by. L is for lettuce, leafy and green, crispy and fresh, the best you've seen. M is for mango, juicy delight, golden and sweet in sunshine bright. N is for net, to catch a fish, or butterflies flying swish, swish, swish. O is for octopus, deep in the sea, with 8 long arms, swimming free. P is for pizza, cheesy and round, with toppings galore, the best to be found. Q is for queen, with jewels that shine, she wears a crown so grand and fine. R is for rat, scampering fast, looking for cheese, it runs right past. S is for spoon, scooping fast, looking for cheese, it runs right past. B, tall and green, with birds and squirrels, a lovely scene. U is for umbrella, open it wide, it keeps us dry when we step outside. V is for vest, neat and smart, worn with style, it plays its part. W is for watch, ticking away, telling the time all night and day. X is for xylophone, rainbow bright, clink and clank, what a musical delight. Y is for yo-yo, up and down, spinning and twirling round and round. Z is for zipper, zap so fast, close up your jacket, warm at last. Now we've learned our ABC, from A to Z so easily. Clap your hands and sing along.